Yeah, 3,900 per ton. Successfully got this white sail lamp sports car from the 80s. A friend from Shijiazhuang sent a photo saying there was a sail lamp sports car from the 70s there. At first glance, I saw it was a third generation Accord, which is not from the 70s. It's a classic sail lamp sports car from the 80s. Unfortunately, it's front wheel drive, not rear wheel drive. If it were a rear-wheel drive, that would be fantastic, but it's quite classic, so I decided to bring it back. The interior of this car is a mess, and some parts, I don't even know if they belong to the car. But honestly, there's a lot of stuff in here, useful or not, it's all thrown in. A real jumble, a huge pile. Fortunately, there's a surprise. The original owner found the car key. That's something to be happy about, a big surprise.
Then, looking at the engine of this car, it seems that although there's a lot of dirt in the engine bay, it's quite intact. Look at the wiring, right? It doesn't seem particularly messy. When you often repair cars, you get a sense. Even before reaching home, you can feel if it will start. Alright friends, I don't want to wait any longer. Let's go. We're heading to Shijiazhuang. Let's go, Xiaoluo. Let's set off. Open the navigation.
About 300 kilometers, let's go. We're setting off, heading to Shijiazhuang. This is the car. Look, a bunch of people are taking pictures of it. The owner feels like they found a real treasure, so they're taking pictures from all angles. Alright, since I'm here, taking pictures is pointless. I'll definitely take it back with me later. Let's take a look at the overall exterior. The taillights on the back of this car are a bit odd. Now, let's look at the side. I feel this version is quite rare. It should be a police version. Look, there are small lights in the front. Aren't they particularly beautiful? And the roof of this car is also fine. Now let's take a look at the engine of this car. The hood is propped up. Look at the engine. It's a transverse 4-cylinder gasoline engine from a small Honda. What's the displacement? How much horsepower? We'll check it out thoroughly when we get back. All the treasures inside the interior are still there, untouched. Alright, just in case there are treasures inside when we get back, we might have a share. Let's take a look inside the trunk.
Wow, it's quite messy in here. Definitely no money, don't worry. If there's a spare tire, that would be a blessing. Alright, it's this one. Successfully got it, loaded it onto the car, and taking it home. After a while, finally got it loaded onto the car.
This day felt like it went by too fast, truly non-stop. For that, by evening, I finally made it home and finally got this white sports car from the 80s home. Alright, there's more work to do. Let's try to get it done by tomorrow. Yeah, and friends, now we're working on this car. An 80s Honda sports car. Very beautiful, white, and with a special paint job. Oh my, look at the mileage, 46,695.
Aha, friends, this time we really found a gem again. Well, with tens of thousands of kilometers, it's not exactly a nearly new car, but it definitely hasn't been driven much. Alright, friends, let's get to work on it now.
3,900 per ton. It cost over 6,000 yuan to successfully acquire this 80s sports car with sail lights, and then spent over 800 yuan to hire a flatbed truck to safely transport it home. Finally finished washing the car. It was already very late after washing the car, so we started repairing it the next day. Early the next morning, we began working on this 1980s sports car. I was really happy to have bought a 1980s police version of the sports car. It's really interesting. Alright, we don't want to wait any longer. Let's speed up and get it done. Let's take a look at this pile of vacuum tubes on the ventilation. Just looking at it gives me a headache. I have a bad feeling. If any of these small tubes or wires break, it will be another headache, and I guess it won't be done in a day. Look at this ventilation platform. It's all covered in carbon deposits. Probably not burning well, so let's take the whole ventilation platform apart. Look, this ventilation platform is completely ruined. Alright, let's replace it all with new ones. We'll solve the problems one by one. There's no car we can't handle. As long as we have enough time, energy, and patience, we can definitely get it done.
As per our usual practice, let's coat the inside of the steel barrel with engine oil for lubrication to prevent cylinder scoring. Leader, you seemed low on energy this morning. Didn't have breakfast, did you? Hey, you should have said so earlier. I thought your wife was capable. Here, I bought some bread slices. Have a couple first and settle down. Where did you get it from? I recently bought this bread from the Douyin Mall's brand trial. It's soft, tasty, and affordable. Friends around me who crave snacks will try the delicious food here.
This order is less than 10 yuan. Go check the comment section. All the delicious snacks are paired, and after using coupons, it's less than 9 yuan. How do you buy it?
And I'll go try it out.
I take off the oil pipe to prevent dirty oil from entering the ventilation system. The battery box is ruined. Look at this mess of wires. Let's sort them out properly and replace the entire battery box with a new one. Wow, young man, you've got some strength. Okay. After changing all the door cards, place a fully charged battery for him. Check the engine oil before starting the car. Alright, the engine oil is fine. Let's go with it. Okay, let's get ready to start the car. Go ahead.
It makes a loud noise, but it won't start. It should be the starter motor, or maybe there's an issue with the wiring. Let's thoroughly check the entire wiring to see where the problem is.
Look at this fuse. It has blown. That should be the problem. All right, let's replace it with a new one.
Come on, give it a try. No? All right, try again.
Okay, no problem now. Yeah, what's our motto? If it can turn, it can start. Hey, it can turn, ha. It can work for everyone, see? This is really something to be happy about. There's fire now. Replace all the pistons with new ones. Get ready to start it up and see if it can work.
Start it.
At first, there was a sign of starting when sprayed with ether, but as it went on, it seemed less likely to start. How about taking the piston out to check if it's a piston issue? Look at this black stuff on top. It should be a mixture of oil and carbon deposits, which has gummed up the piston. All right, let's clean it and put it back. That should do it.
The vaporization is not very stable, so we decided to add a temporary fuel line to help it start better.
Okay, close it. I feel like I've won again. Look here, there's a problem with this carburetor. In just a short while, see, the fuel is filled up. The carburetor on an 80s third generation Accord. Oh, just thinking about it gives me a headache. Where can I buy one?
I hope I can fix it. If I can't, oh no, that would be a disaster. Heaven help us. Okay, let's take the carburetor apart and check it thoroughly to see where the problem is. Look, the inside of this carburetor is really dirty. Let's clean out all the sludge and grime inside.
Look at this needle valve. If this position is stuck, it can also cause oil leakage. Clean every hole and detail of the carburetor thoroughly. Even a small detail can cause blockage, so it must be cleaned completely.
After 2 hours of relentless effort, the carburetor is finally cleaned. Let's test it out and see how it works. Come on, start the car and give it a try.
Oh wow, it finally started. Turn on the headlights.
Yeah, oh, hey. Oh, one light is on, one light is off. Okay, turn it off. The headlight isn't working completely. Let's fix it tomorrow. All right, hurry up. Take your wife to the movies. Don't wait. That's it for today. We'll continue tomorrow.
Hey, class. Hey, tomorrow, let's get this 1980s flip-up headlight truck running again. Wow, this little car is really beautiful. Friends, this 1980s Honda Accord,
The car is started, hey? Next, let's clean the fuel system and try to get it running again in 1 day. Come on, hurry up and finish. Look at the trunk. Hey, the fuel tank is in here. First, get all this stuff out. Oh, hey, a shovel.
Oh, this is useful. Yang Yongki classic. Keep this, it's fine. Tidy up. Pot. Oh, I just got startled by the basin.
A pot. Hey, wow, there's even a pot. Oh my goodness. No, hey, it's not that we have a spray, but this is useful. The radiator cap. This set, let's say something in Sichuan dialect. No, you should say thank you, big brother. How do you say it? Come on, say it. It's all trash.
All out. Okay. There's definitely some oil down there. It startled me. I thought it was something else. No, there's a spare tire in here. All right. Xiaolong, take out the spare tire. Ah, good.
Okay, the fuel tank is in that position.
Right there. Everything inside here needs to be cleaned. It's especially dirty and the fuel tank is right here. The trunk is mine. Let's clean inside here too. It's a bit too dirty.
Whose route is this? I don't recognize this.
Son, is this the princess? No. Oh, whoever it is, let it be. So far, next one, clean the fuel tank and fuel lines thoroughly. Oh, the oil is in. Okay, there's not much of a problem with the oil. Just connect the oil pipe properly and it should be fine. Next, replace all the car's fluids, engine oil, antifreeze, everything, and check them all thoroughly. Look, this engine oil is really dirty. All right, replace it all with new oil. This car, it's not afraid of being driven, it's afraid of being left unused. Once it's left, problems arise. So the entire car, every part, every section needs to be properly maintained.
Oh yeah, it's done. Let's start.
Wow, it's especially smooth. The car is particularly stable. All right, no problem.
Including the car, the engine, no problem with it. Now, next is the headlights. Hey, both headlights can pop up, but neither of them lights up. When it was just repaired, one light could still work, but later it stopped working too, so next, all of them need to be replaced with new ones.
Come, my mysterious little kitchen. Ah, these are all the parts. Remember, it's down here because this kind of knife is rarely used. It's this one. Now this square one.
Okay, these two square ones. Ah, just filmed it.
In a short while, these two headlights will replace. Next, let's give this car a good wash. It probably hasn't been washed in over 10 years. Alright, let's clean off all the old grime.
The result after washing is so satisfying. Look at this surface, it's all mud, and this pot can't be removed, so we can only use my super invincible method.
A great trick for polishing, amazing. I have to say, my apprentice assistant, if you want to repair circuits or engines, the skills are a bit shaky, but when it comes to polishing, Hey, that's his specialty. He does it beautifully, and in no time, the hood is done. Look, the result is really quite good.
This 1980s Honda flip-up light small car is finally fixed and running. Next, we'll put it in the second floor showroom. Alright, from now on, when filming scenes from the 1980s, we'll use this white Honda big car.
My story with the old car will continue. Let's keep going.